Hello everyone, welcome to Parliament SEO YouTube channel, and in this video we will be discussing the SEO mistake number 7, which is about over optimizing anchor text. So remember, we have already uploaded 6 videos that are about SEO mistakes. We are uploading a video daily that covers a SEO mistake that you need to avoid. The first mistake that we discussed, it was about core web vitals. The second mistake, it was about ignoring mobile first indexing. And then the third mistake was about overlooking technical issue. And the fourth mistake was about ignoring structured data markup. And in the fifth mistake was about not leveraging long tail keyword. Sorry, the fifth. The sixth one was underestimating the user intent, and now we are discussing or optimizing anchor text. So most of the people I have seen, most of the websites, they just keyword stuff their anchor text, like there is no variation, there is no natural look in these anchor texts. So remember, Google is developed very smart over the years around anchor text. So it even considers the text, the paragraph around the anchor text. So if your anchor text is not looking natural, it could lead to penalties. So you should always aim for natural, varied anchor text. So you could use a combination of branded anchor text, like for example, Parliament is your brand name. We could, for example, if we are doing some link building activity from some other website, for example, we are getting a link from bbc.com. So what we would do on that page is we would put some branded anchor text that would just lead to our to our homepage, like Parliament, with the name Parliament is in anchor text, and the link would be parliament.com. And if as you all already know, we are a SEO agency based in London. So that is one of our main keyword. So we could use the anchor text is SEO agency London should be the anchor text, but that could be used as a natural way, along with using some branded anchor text, just like I discussed is Parliament. So always remember to have a mix of anchor text, some branded anchor text, some keyword rich anchor text, some naked anchor text as well, like just the URL. There's a tool that I know, it's called linkyo.com. It could give you some ideas about what could be the anchor text when you are getting a link from somewhere. So let me show you that tool as well. So this is the tool that I was discussing about. It's called Linkyo. The link to this I will put in the description as well, but you could just go to linkyo.com/anchor text generator. And then you could see, for example, if my brand name is Pearl Lemon and the keyword is SEO agency London, and then page type, you could select, for example, it's blog content, and the anchor text I can select is keyword plus. Let's select all of them. So, or maybe just natural as well. So you could play with it. So let's click on the generate button. Ah, let's see if it's generate. So it's not working. So I could see. So it's not working at the moment, but it's a very good tool. So maybe by the time you check it, it's fixed. Yeah, that's it. So it gives you a variation of anchor text that you could use. Obviously, as an SEO, you need to as SEO you need to use your judgment, professional judgment, not just relying on tools like this. But this is a very good tool to give you heads up. So and if you're still unsure about the anchor text strategy that you are using, you could get your anchor texts audited by us by contacting us at parliament.com, by scheduling a session with us. We would guide you towards your anchor text generation strategy and if whether your current anchor text strategy is good or not. Thank you for your time, and if this content was helpful for you, please subscribe to this channel because I'm in a mission to upload uh, a video daily about an SEO mistake that most of the people are doing. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.